Next, we are going to learn how to use this divider display control. Now for that, I have taken a container layout. Let me slightly expand it. Now here, all you have to do simply drag and drop. Now there are certain properties that are involved. I am going to show you. Once you drag and drop the divider, go to the style, and here let's say I would like to increase the thickness. Then here, this is the way to increase the thickness. Let's say I want to make it to 5. What happened? The thickness of that got increased. If you hit on preview, what is happening in the preview window? The divider, which acts like a segregator, just a visual segregator between different controls. So here I am putting, or probably a styling option, you can think like. So here is the divider, but again there is a white space here, there is a white space on the left side, there is a white space on the right side. So how do I remove this white space? For that, the container where you are dragging the divider, select that container, go to the style, and here in the style, look at the property, margin property. It should be all 0. Just click on this link option, everything will come. So it should be all 0. Let me click on the padding. Now what is happening? The padding has got, padding means what? Inner space. Now inner space, from the top it is saying 8 pixel space. So I want to make it 0. Then I'll go to the left, then I want to make this also 0. Then right, bottom and right side also I want to make it 0. So what would happen by changing the property of that? If you hit on preview, now you can see the divider, which acts like a segregator in the control. This segregator line is now in a proper position. Okay, this we have understood. Now what is the other property that you need to be aware? There is something called in the style. If you put in the vertical, what if you want it in this order? I want the this styler or the divider in this way, right, on the left hand side. Now for that, simply put a horizontal. Okay, if you do this, what would happen? The control has got it. Okay, now this one horizontal, again look at the container style. If you have enabled something on the left, right, so I'll put all 0, 0, 0, 0. In the left is also 0. Now let's see how this one is appearing. So this acts like more like a divider, or you can call a styler. I'm putting a, that looks pretty good, or a segregator, just to differentiate between one item to the other. So now you can see on the left hand side it is appearing like this. You can increase the thickness slight a bit just to control that space. Okay, for example, in this one I'll increase it to, let's say, 8. Let's see how this one is appearing. Okay, so this is how appearing. Let me just copy this, put one more like this. Okay, and inside this let me add a divider, and I will change the style. Look at how I'm utilizing the properties is important. Okay, so I want to make it horizontal, and this one I want to make the thickness of the divider as, let's say, 10, and then okay, that was 8, right? So let me keep it as 8, and then let's say I want to change the color of this one as some other color, just to differentiate. Look at how appealing it would appear when you are going for a complex design in UiPath apps. Okay, so this is how it is appearing. Let me slightly modify in the control of this one. I'll remove the padding, I'll make it 0, all 0. Now let's preview. Now you can see this is how this is appearing. Okay, this acts like a segregator between two different controls. Now that you have learned how to use a divider, right, and how to utilize those properties, now you have your own flexible time to experiment and try to achieve the desired output. So let's move on to our next topic and learn the next control.